Hello folks and welcome to 4 Season Backpacking. Please subscribe for the latest outdoor adventure videos. This is carrying on from my last episode, which was a half a day episode, and I split them in two, and this is the next part to that episode on day 5. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I've got tons and tons of videos like this, and I've got tons and tons of videos more like this coming soon, and even much better. Hey, if you've not already done so, please check out my Instagram account, which is at 4 Season Backpacking. Also, if you're on Twitter, why not add me on Twitter? I've got a link for my Twitter account at the top of my YouTube page, I believe. For those of you who don't know, my name's Richard and I love the outdoors. So sit back, make yourself a coffee, because this is one hell of an episode. And do keep watching to the end, because it gets really interesting. Trust me. Well, at least I think so anyway. Anyway, yeah, I had to dub most of this because the wind was just too much. But don't worry, there is actually talking in my video. Should make it. I'm thinking about camping at a fort just before a town. I think I'll make that fort quite easily. I don't know what the rest of the terrain is like. There is a ridge bit along here, I think, 1 or 2 little ridge bits. No different to what I'd done earlier this morning, I think. So you just stop for a rest here. Here's my view. So the wind's supposed to be picking up, but tomorrow the weather's going to be so much better, and it's going to be sunny. Looks like the other guys are going the same way as me, possibly. I don't know. Well. So I'm not going to get much of a view on this last mountain. Well, I can see someone running up here. Must be from that the town, ex-town. That's steep. It's definitely pushing me to my mental limit. This is definitely harder. Even just, I can tell just from doing this southern section, this is harder than the Cape Rough Trail. Way harder. I've done the Cape Rough Trail twice. Weird, it goes like this every now and then. 1 minute there's wind, and now the wind is gone. No wind. It'll be back again in a minute, eh? It's the trig point here. And a shelter. Oh. This trail's hard, guys. I should get good weather. Yeah, it won't be so hard. Oh. It's because I can't see anything, I think. Maybe that's why it's feeling harder. I think I'm finding it hard due to the fact I'm unfamiliar with the area. It's very steep in places. I mean the weather, most of the day it's been really windy, and you can't really see where you're going. But no, it's definitely harder than the Cape Rough Trail. I reckon there would be a really good view now, if I had a view. Well, that is a seriously big drop down there. I don't know how far down it is because I can't see a thing, but I know I'm very high up. Looks like a shelter there, wind shelter. Wonder how old that is. So a little bit better. Once I'm at the top of here, it definitely is all the way down to the town. Some sign of the sun there. So I will start going down the mountain, of course. Okay folks, I've found a spot where I'm going to put my tent, my tarp I should say. Should be okay. Okay folks, this is what's on the menu tonight. Vegetable chili with rice for something to eat. I'll put a link in the description for it. So I'm going to use water, what I gathered from the river earlier on today, with the and filter it with the Katadyn B3 water filter. I'll put a link in the description for this water filter. And don't forget to take out the silicone pouch like I usually do. I think that's enough. My tarp has just blown down and I'm just sorting everything out. Well guys, my tarp just blew down. I probably lost a couple of pegs. They're titanium as well, they're really small. It's my own fault, I should have got normal size pegs. They're ridiculously small. There's no way I'm going to find them. Hopefully I'll find them in the morning, but I've decided I'm going to stay up here in the bivvy. Hopefully it doesn't rain. If it does I might go further down the hill, but I'm stopping here anyway because I'm kind of hoping I can find some of those pegs in the morning. In the next episode I get some fantastic time-lapse of the stars, so you don't want to miss that, so please do subscribe, and I really appreciate you watching my videos, and thanks a lot and take care.